welcome back to my channel. Today I have a hair review for you. The hair company is Hair4thelow. It's Hair, number 4, THELOW. I just want to start off by saying that this is not a paid video. I purchased the hair by myself, made the video by myself, and did all the research myself as well. So just a little overview about the company. It's based in Tampa, Florida. They have a whole bunch of different options to choose from. They have one-tone hair. It ranges from like $2.50 all the way up to $30. It comes in packs of 1, 10, and 12. Some of the colors were like 27, which is like a goldish color. It looked like to me in the picture. Irish green, blue royal, and the royal was like closer to a purple, more or less of a blue. The two-tone hair is kind of like the one I have in right now. They have emerald. It was like an aqua color, hot pink, 1B30. Cranberry, storm. Storm was like a dark gray, and it was really nice actually. 1B27, money green, that one also looked really pretty, and then 1B blue. Also, which was really crazy, I thought was really cool, they have a 3-tone color. So this is a 2-tone, and they have a 3-tone one. Like pink melon, that one pretty much was like black, a bright pink, and a light pink. They have some that are like black, dark greens, light greens, and like any other colors as well. Like it's a whole bunch of options. You have to go out and look. They have what's called easy braid. Easy braid is pretty much hair that's already ready to go, so you don't have to feather it yourself. It's already brushed. It's literally ready for you to separate and put in the hair. It's really rather expensive actually. It ranges from $3 to $40 depending on how much you need for your head, and it comes in packs of 1, 6, and 10. All the colors that I saw were natural colors, so like the browns, the blacks, the reds that are like of natural tone. But that's pretty cool. They had crochet hair, but the only crochet hair they had was like the jerry curl, so like the super tight coily one. They had natural colors as well as some cool colors. And then they had 82-inch expression hair. I love expression hair because it's, in my opinion, the best hair for braiding. So in my hair right now, I have 4 packs of the 2-tone hair and 1B30. But then I also have 1.5 packs of the 82-inch expression hair. To achieve this style, you actually need 6 packs of just the 2-tone, or just the regular braiding hair. The regular braiding hair is 24 inches. I have a big head, so I may need more than what normal people need, but I like my hair to look full as well. So some pros and cons for the hair. The 2-tone hair, in my opinion, the color is absolutely gorgeous. Like I like it. It looks natural. It doesn't look too much because I personally don't like both colors. It's a bit silky though, so it reminds me of more like a Kanekalon, which it's okay for braiding, but it's kind of hard to like really grab it. I like thick to thin braids. With this braiding hair, it seemed more to be like thick to thick. So let's see. So here's a braid, and as you can see, it's very thick and wide, and this is all the 1B30, so it starts off black and then it ombres down to the 30. This is the expression braid. This is all expression, so it goes thick and then it thins out, and I'll hold 2 of them together so you can kind of see the comparison. So as you can see, this one over here is way thicker all the way down to the bottom than this one. This one starts to thin out more. Like I said, I'm really happy that I did mix them, because if I would have done all the 1B30, my head would have been too full. This already is super full, and I'm really sure I'm 5'1", so on the back it comes down here on me, and the front it comes all the way down here. I did a light trim, but I didn't cut them. The expressions we cut into 3, but the regular bundles, the 24-inch bundles, we didn't cut it at all. Some pros to the expression hair: it's really easy to separate, really easy to detangle. It has more of a grip, so it's easier for braiding. But like it says, that only comes in the 1B, so if you want to have some fun and do some crazy color or something like that, it'd be better to get the regular braiding hair. So I would definitely recommend this company though, Hair4thelow. I would say go out and try it, go out and view their website at least, because like I said, their ombre colors, or the colors they have, are like really mind-blowing. And the thing is, they aren't too artificial. Like sometimes yellows look like school buses, or like reds look like fire hydrants. Like these look like natural colors. Like if you were gonna dye your bundles of hair, like those look like the same colors that this braided hair is dyed. And the ombre effect for me, like I said, is really nice, because me personally, I would never just go I would never get 30 hair, just put it all in my hair. But I like the way the ombre looked, because if I wanted to just wear like this and hide the brown, I could. Or, you know, I could bring it to the front and kind of show the brown, and it's really, really nice. So sadly my video did cut off, but it's okay. I just recorded this last little bit really fast. I pretty much said all I had to say, and it's a great company. Besides that, I wanted to just touch on the prices though. I paid for the 4 bundles $24, and then for the expression I paid about $10. Let's see. So altogether it was about $34. It was free shipping. It was through PayPal, and it was UPSP. United States Postal Service. You get what I'm saying. But I ordered the product actually on February 7th, and I received it on February 12th. So not even a full week, and then not even 3 full business days did it take them to get me the product. Also, besides that too, they had extremely great customer service. I actually WhatsApped somebody who worked at the company, and I asked them how many packs. I sent a picture of the style I wanted first off, and I asked them how many packs they would recommend for me. She told me 6, and I decided to get the 4 and then the 2 of expression, but I just felt like she got back to me within 30 minutes. I really appreciated that because it made the ordering process way faster. So like I said, all in all, it's a great company. Their prices are extremely low. You can't really beat it, especially in hair stores. Like, they're charging the same amount of prices that you would buy just regular 1 nickel on hair. So go out and try it. I'll link everything in the description box. Like, subscribe, and share this video, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.